Being too nice is not a good thing. It's actually one of the most dangerous habits you can have. And the worst part, most people don't even realize it's destroying their life. Until they feel used, drained and completely invisible. You're the one people call when they need help. You say yes even when you're tired. You forgive even when it still hurts. And somehow you're still the one getting hurt the most. If that's you, stay with me because this will change how you see yourself. Being nice is good, but being too nice, that's where the problem starts. Because when you're always nice you start hiding your real feelings. You don't speak up, you don't complain, you don't set limits, and slowly, you disappear inside your own life. At first people appreciate you. They say you're such a good person. But over time, they start expecting it, they stop asking, and start assuming. Your kindness becomes a responsibility. This is where it gets dangerous. Being too nice doesn't just hurt you. It trains people. You are teaching people how to treat you. When you keep saying yes, you're teaching them that your no doesn't exist. When you keep forgiving, you're teaching them that hurting you has no consequence. And one day, you'll sit down and ask yourself, why does nobody respect me? But here's the truth most people avoid. You're not just being nice. You're afraid. Afraid of losing people. Afraid of conflict. Afraid of being seen as a bad person. And this is how it always ends. You give and give and give. Until one day, you feel tired for no reason. Angry, but you don't know why. Empty, even when people are around you. That's not a weakness. That's emotional exhaustion. So what do? Do you stop being nice? No, you stop being too nice. Start small. Say no without explaining too much. Stop over-apologizing. Choose yourself sometimes. At first it will feel uncomfortable. But that discomfort, that's growth. Listen carefully. The people who truly value you will not leave because you set boundaries. They will respect you more. And the ones who leave, they were only there for your kindness, not for you. Stop being the person everyone uses. Start being the person everyone respects. If this made you see yourself differently, then you're not alone. I make videos like this to help you understand yourself and take your power back. Follow me, you'll need this.